Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Bike Rider Pro today. We're taking a look at the new Bajaj Chetak Electric, one of India's most stylish and premium electric scooters. Let's explore its design, features, performance, battery, range and price. Premium design, the Bajaj Chetak Electric features a classic retro-inspired design with a modern touch. It comes with a full metal body, sleek LED lighting, stylish alloy wheels, and premium paint finishes that make it stand out on the road. Battery and range. The scooter is powered by a lithium-ion battery pack that offers a claimed riding range of around 120-150 kilometers, depending on the variant and riding conditions. It supports convenient home charging, making daily commuting simple and economical. Performance. The electric motor delivers smooth and silent acceleration, making city rides comfortable. It offers multiple riding modes, including Eco and Sport, allowing riders to choose between better efficiency and quicker performance. Features. The new Chetak Electric includes fully digital TFT display, smartphone connectivity, navigation support, call and message alerts, reverse mode, keyless operation, LED lighting, regenerative braking. These features make the scooter modern, practical and easy to use. Safety. For safety, Bajaj offers a strong metal chassis, reliable braking system, quality suspension, and durable tires for better stability and rider confidence. Price. The Bajaj Chetak Electric is available in multiple variants, with prices starting at approximately Rs 1 lakh, ex-showroom, depending on the model and city. Final verdict, if you're looking for a premium electric scooter with stylish looks, solid build quality, useful features, and low running costs, the Bajaj Chetak Electric is definitely worth considering. Outro, what do you think about the new Bajaj Chetak Electric? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more latest bike and scooter reviews. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.